Hi guys. Can you hear me? Is it audible my voice? Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay. So in previous class, we have seen a couple of things. Okay. So let me go with that. Another one. So Java introduction part. I'll take. Okay. Applications of Java. Types of Java applications. Okay. And features of Java. These kind of things. Little bit. You should aware of that. Okay, so what is Java? Java is a programming language, as well as we can say it is a platform, right? Okay, so it is Java is object oriented, and we can create a class. That's it, class based and concurrent, secured, and a general purpose of computer programming languages. It is widely used in robust technology, guys. It is if you can go to any company, any project, it is widely used in robust technology. Okay, it also it is high level robust object oriented. Okay, Java is an object oriented. Okay, and we can say class based, and one more thing. Okay, secured, you can say secured. Java applications are secured, and generally computer programming language. It is a widely used robust technology. That okay. So if anyone asks you what is Java means, Java is a project or object oriented programming language, as well as platform. You can say like this: Java is a programming language and platform. And one more thing, Java is high level programming language. So there are a lot of applications, lot of benefits having that Java. So that's the reason why most of the applications are built in based on Java. Means there are much more benefits, as it is a secure, robust, object oriented, high level. Okay, you can write a Java code and run anywhere. Okay, so for example, I'll show you. Java. I'll run some Java programming. Okay, how to create a project, how to class everything. I'll show you. As of now, I'm going with the previous project. This is SRC, this is package. I'll create one more class. So this is how you can create a class. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I'll wait 5 seconds. How to create a class. Okay, so I'll give you here example program. Example 1 I'll take. Okay, so this is a main method, guys. So if you can see here, this is a class. There is a class C icon. If you can observe here, green color, round side, left, right side here, there is a circle in that C. That means it is a class. Okay, we are creating a new Java class. Okay, so and one more thing, it is recommended to give always upper class while you are giving a name of class. Okay, it is recommended to write uppercase letter in the starting letter should be in uppercase. It is recommended in the industry. Okay, so this is how. So this is my project. Under this project, so this is a package, Java package. Okay, so source folder means here the project name, whatever the project you are going to. Anyhow, we have a separate session for this. So as we are going with the Java basics. Okay, this is a project name. Under this project there is a package, Java package name. Okay, under Java package we are creating a class. This is a class. Okay, now modifiers here, if you can see here, public, package, private, protected, abstract, final, static. Okay, so there are different modifiers there here. As of now, it is not a right time to go with all these things. We will check with the public only. By default it will show you public. Okay guys, and this is a super class, java dot language dot object. So as we said, Java is an object oriented. It is a super class object oriented. So it is an object, everything is an object. Okay, now coming to, so this is a checkbox here. I am clicking on public static void main. So this is a main method. Okay, by default we have a lot of shortcuts in Eclipse, guys. This is very smart to use for your automation testing code. We have a lot of shortcuts. Every day we will use some shortcuts. Okay, now I'll go and I'll click on finish. Okay, okay, now so please capture this one if you want a screenshot. How to create a Java class. Okay, so now I'll click here finish. Super. Okay, super. Now new class created here. So where is the class? So can you see here left side? It is highlighted. It is highlighted. So that means that class is opened here. Now we just created a class name with the name of example1. If you can see here, guys. So this name is highlighted. Okay, and here it is a example1, and here is the class name. So both are should be in same. Okay, otherwise it will throw some error. For example, example1 here. Okay, I entered 11. Okay, so if you can see here, it is showing some red mark here. So that means the public type example 11 must be defined in its own file. Okay, so that is a error it is getting. Okay, so the class name and whatever we are giving here, that should be in same. Okay, okay, so this is a class name example1. What's the class name here? Example1. Whatever you can give, depends on your requirement, class name. Okay, and this is the package name. What is the package name here? Java package. Okay, Java package. Okay, now I'll just expand here. See here in this class file, what we have here. So this is an example. Okay, now what is a package? What is a package? Package is a, okay, under package we are creating a classes. Okay, okay guys, good, good. Now So this is a main method. If you wish to comment anything in Java, you need to give this double quote forward double slash. Okay, then it should be considered as a comment or a description. It is not executable code. So these lines will not execute in the Java. Okay. What is a JVM? What is a Java method of execution? That everything we will check one by one. Okay. So just I am writing a small sample program example. Okay. So now I'll go and I'll write here. So these comments are not required. I'll remove this one. By default, it will come now. Okay. System dot. Okay. We have a shortcut, guys. Just type SYSO out and press Control space like this. Sorry. SYS. System dot out dot println. Okay, just type SYSO out, sys out, control space and enter. Okay, then you will get print statement. Okay, so if anything you wish to print in a Java, okay, so these are mandatory. Okay, that is class name, package name. Under project we will create a package. Under package we will create a class. Okay, and main method. If you wish to execute anything, main method is a mandatory. What is the purpose of main method in Java? Means main method will help to execute a Java program. Okay, okay. Now, so system dot out dot println. I'll write here hello Java. Hello Java. So this is a print statement we are giving, and we are asking to print this hello Java. Okay, so let go and execute. You know how to execute this program? Okay, how to execute Java program here? Just right click on this anywhere and go to run as. Okay, run as and one Java application. So please capture this one. How to run Java program? How to run Java program? Okay, just go and click this. Okay, so this is a console output here. So what is that print statement here? Hello Java, right guys? Right guys? Okay, now I'll go and I'll print one more thing. I want to prove one more. Selenium. Okay, now always Java program will start execute from top to bottom. Okay, so first line here, what is that? Seventh here, print statement. Okay, first it will execute and it will print in the output console. We will get output as a hello Java. To prove that whether Java is executing from top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay, so we cannot go with that directly. Means if any statement, at least we should have some proof. Okay, so that is how I'll go and prove it. Okay, now the second statement is Selenium. Now I'll one more thing I'll write sys out automation testing. Okay, so now I'll execute this one, guys. See here, can you see here? What is the first statement? First output, hello Java. And the second line is Selenium. Third is automation testing. So that means Java is executed from top to bottom. Okay, what's the first line is printing here? Hello Java. Okay, and the second one is Selenium, automation testing. Okay, anything if you wish to print like that, you need to write a system.out.println. Within that, you need to give double quotes. After that, semicolon. At the end of the every statement, semicolon you need to mention. You need to mention semicolon for every statement at end. Okay, at the end of the statement, you need to mention semicolon. Okay, whatever the print you are giving here, okay, that should be in double quotes. Double quotes. Okay, it if it is a string, if it is a integer, we have a data types. What is a data types? Where you need to use which kind of data types, that going forward we will tell you. Okay guys, just as of now, just I'm giving only two things: how to print statement, okay, and the execution process from top to bottom. What is main method, what is a print statement, that's it only. Is that clear as of now? What is the main method? Public static main method. Okay, so this is a main method. It is common for every time. Java main method. So this is public static void main string auth. Okay, now coming to here, now you can see here guys, so I open curly braces here. Okay, so from here to here, so within the method only we opened here and closing here. So that means, so this is a one block. Okay, one block of code. Let's say I can say if we have 3 BHK home. Okay, so one bedroom for you kids, one bedroom for parents, one bedroom for wife and husband. Like that, you will use in case of you having multiple bedrooms. So there will be a specific purpose for every bedroom. Okay, so like that, for everything there is some specific purpose. Okay, now wherever you are opening this, that means after class we are open here something. Okay, and it is closing here. Just click on here. Okay, so you close here, you open here. So that means this is a class area. This is a class name. Example 1 is a class name here. After class, okay, we just open this curly braces. Okay, and within that curly braces, whatever you are writing, that will be comes under class area. Okay, now coming to method area, class area and method area. So just remember the two names, class area and method area. So class area means from here to here, whatever, if you can write a 2000 lines of 30 lines, whatever that. Okay, wherever you opened and wherever you close, okay, depends on that, it will consider method area. Okay, now where is a method, where is a method started here? So this is a main method. Yes, we have different methods, depends on the requirement, we will use the different main methods. Okay, so as of now, just focus on stick to main method only. So method is started in 6th line and method is ended at 12th line. How we can say it is started at 6th line and it is ended at 12th line means we open here, okay, and close here. So within the method, whatever you are writing, that will execute here. Main method will help to execute the print statement here. Okay, so is it clear guys? What is a method area, what is a class area? Guys, are you there with me? Can you please respond? Any doubts? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubts? Are you able to getting understand? Okay, good. So now I'll give you the brief applications. Guys, going forward, we will use a lot of examples. Don't worry. Okay, hope you understand clearly everything is. Still, if you are any doubt, don't fear. Don't fear. I'll give you the very basic, simple examples to understand the Java. Okay, Java is very simple. Okay, you will enjoy Java code. Okay, now, so basic applications, whatever the applications of Java. Applications of Java. Okay, so we can say, like, according to Sun Microsystem, Java is initially developed in Sun Microsystems, that company. According to Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. 3 billion devices can run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are as follow. Okay, now one thing I'll take desktop applications. Okay, to develop desktop applications also they can use Java, such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, antivirus, etc. Okay, and now web applications. Web applications such as IRCTC. You can see irctc.com. Okay, Indian Rails Rising. Okay, Java T point. .com, etc. Okay, web applications also they can use Java. Now enterprise applications, one more applications, enterprise applications such as banking applications. Okay, there are many guys, mobile applications and embedded. Okay, so you are not into development. Okay, you are going for automation test engineer, but it is more than enough for even developer also. That much of content I'm giving here. Embedded, smart cards, robotics, games, etc. Okay, so these many for applications we have Java. Okay. Now one more thing I can say here: types of applications. Types of Java applications, like standalone applications are also known as desktop applications, Windows based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Example, like a standalone applications are media player, antivirus, etc. Okay, AWT and Swing are used for in Java for creating standalone applications. Okay, got it, guys? So types of, we have a types of applications. In that we can say there are mainly four types of applications that can be created using Java program. And one thing we can say standard application. Standalone applications means are also known as desktop applications or window based applications. These are traditionally we need to install that software need to be installed on every machine wherever you want to use that machine. In that machine you need to install and you can use it. Okay, so these kind of we can say standalone applications. AWT and swings are we use it in Java for creating a standalone applications. And one more thing, web applications. The first type of is standalone type applications, and second type is a web type application, and enterprise applications, mobile applications. Okay, guys. So types of applications, I'll say here. Applications of Java we have seen here. Now I'll come to types of applications. Java applications. There are mainly 4 types. 4 types of applications that can be created using Java. That can be used Java programming. That's it. Okay, so now we can say standalone applications, web applications, okay, and enterprise applications, and mobile applications. Okay, okay, guys. Now standalone and web application, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. Okay, so standalone means that you need to install and you can use it like a media player. For web applications means applications run on the server side and create a dynamic page. It's called web applications. Okay, like currently serverlet, JSP, okay, Spring, Hypernet. Okay, these kind of applications are there for web applications. These kind of technologies are used for creating web applications in Java. Okay, examples for web applications. Now coming to example for enterprise means enterprise application means an application that is distributed in nature, such as like a banking application, etc. It's called enterprise applications. It has some advantages of high level security, load balancing, and clustering in Java. Okay, EJB also there we use it for creating an enterprise application. Okay, and coming to mobile applications, an application which is created for mobile devices is called mobile applications. Currently, Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile application. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. An application, whatever we are creating for mobile devices, which is created for mobile device, is a called a mobile application. Okay, so currently have Android. Okay, these kind of types of applications we are using right now. Clear, guys? Okay, coming to now Java platforms and editors. We have a 4 platforms or editors of Java. That is Java SE standard edition, Java standard edition, Java EE, that means Java Enterprise Edition, Java ME, that means Java Micro Edition, Java FX. So these kind of IEs, that means editors, editions, and the platforms, Java platforms also we have. What are the prerequisites to learn Java? You must have some basic knowledge of, I can say, no need of any prerequisites. It means just understanding of logic, that is enough for you guys. Okay. So we have some problems here to solve that. Okay. So it is more than enough. Okay. I'm not going for the Java platform editions. This is enough. Okay. So what is the history of Java means? It is very interesting, guys. Originally, it is designed for interactive televisions. At the time of starting Java, the history of Java is very interesting. Okay, so originally designed for interactive televisions, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable televisions at industry at the time. Okay, with a green team, like a Java team members, also known as a green team. Who are the people involved in the development of Java means we can say green team. They will be considered a Java team members also. Okay, so initially this project to develop for a language for like a digital devices such as set-top box televisions. However, it was suited for internet programs. Later, Java technology was incorporated by Netscape. We can say that Netscape. So the main principles of Java program is, as we have said, simple. It is simple, robust, and portable, and platform independent, and secured, high performance, multi-thread, architectural, neutral, and object oriented, interpreted, and dynamic. So these kind of principles. One thing is simple. Java is a simple. Okay, and it is robust, and it is a portable, and it is a full platform independent and secured, high performance, multi-thread, architectural neutral. Okay, so these are main basic principles of Java. So who is the main key person in this means James Gosling. I'll write his name. We don't forget. James Gosling and Mike Sheridan also, and Patrick Angton initiated the Java language. Java language. Initially, it was developed in 1991. Language project in June 1991. The small team of Sun engineers called Green Team. You can say Green Team. The small team of Sun engineers. So originally designed for small embedded systems in an electronic appliance like a set-top box. Okay, so first it was called by Green Talk by James Gosling. The first name of Java is Green Talk by James Gosling, and the file extension was .gt. If you can see here in this Eclipse, what is the file extension here? .java. .java means here the file extension of Java is a .java, but as of now here, but initially it was considered as .gt. Initially file extension. Okay, so I'm not going to write here. Maybe it may be confused. Okay, initially, just for your understanding and your knowledge I'm giving, maybe there is a possibility of getting sometime interview questions in the basic level of they may ask. Okay, so that was the in file extension initially for Java. After that, it was called Oak. OAK. Oak was developed as a part of the Green project. Okay, why Java named Oak means Oak is a symbol of strength and is chosen as a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. Okay, so for their national tree, okay, for their national tree, in that name they mentioned oak was the initial name of Java. Java named as Oak. Okay, in 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it was already trademarked by the Oak Technologies. Okay, guys, now I'll write this one. This is the important one. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java. Array. Java because it was already a trademark by Oak Technologies. Oak Technologies. Okay. So why Java programming named as a Java means they have chosen Java name for Java language, as it is a trade words are dynamic, revolutionary, silk, joule, DNA example. They wanted something that reflected in the sense of technology and revolutionary, dynamic. Okay, the cool and unique and easy to spell and fun to say. Okay, there are many reasons for naming that Java. According to James Gosley, Java was one of the top chosen along with Silk. Since Java was so unique, most of the team members preferred Java than other names. Okay, and Java is Iceland, Indonesia, where the first coffee was produced called Java coffee. Java is in Iceland of Indonesia because the first coffee was produced in called Java coffee. So there are a lot of history for Java, guys. At least we should know that something, as it is widely used in programming the industry. Notice that Java is just name, not a anatomy. Okay, initially developed by James Gosley at Sun Micro Systems, which is now as a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation and released in 1995. So this is a very much important point you need to remember. I'll write with a triple star. Initially developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. And released in 1995. So this is very much important. You need to remember. Initially developed by James Gosley at Sun Microsystem, which is a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation, and released in 1995. So in 1995, Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. So in 1996, JDK 1.0 released in, guys. Okay, JDK 1.0 released in January 23, 1996. So this is okay. So Java versions history. Okay. Many Java versions have been released till now. There are currently stable versions like we can say Java 11 for that, which is Selenium support as Selenium 3. Okay. And Selenium 4 also there in that release site, which is having the multiple features. Okay. You may get interview questions. What are the differences between what are the advantages of Java 11th version? What is the Java version you are using in your project? Okay, they will ask you like that. And Selenium 4 features, Selenium 3, what are the differences and what are the advantages like that. Okay. So in Java, if you can go to the Oracle Corporation website, you will find the Java release version, JDK Alpha and Beta version in 1995. JDK 1.0 was released in Jan 1996 on 23rd, and JDK 1.1 version was released in Feb 1997. After that, 1998 J2SC version. So okay, these kind of versions have been released in the okay. So Java SC 10th was also released in 2018. That okay. So as of now, we are using we'll take with it Java 11 is enough for us. Okay. So these kind of history is enough for us. So please capture this one, guys. So features of Java, we said simple object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, robust, secured, okay, architectural, neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, dynamic. Okay. So why it is a Java syntax? Java is very easy to learn. Simple means why it is simple means Java is a very easy to learn, and its syntax is a simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun, Java language is simple programming language because of syntax based. Java syntax is a based on C plus like so easier for programming to learn after C plus. It removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. So these kind of many features have been removed because rarely used that features in that Java, and there is no need to remove unreferenced objects. Okay, as of now, you may not get what are the features and how we are working with that. Okay, so that's the reason it is a simple. And why it is object oriented, a Java program is an object oriented programming language. But what is the reason behind object oriented means everything in Java is an object, guys. So please remember this line blindly. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both data and behavior. That is the reason Java is an object oriented program. We can say one more time, Java is an object oriented programming language because everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we can organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that can incorporate both data and behavior. So with these reasons, we can say Java is an object oriented. I'll repeat once again, it is a very much important. Damn surely you will get an interview question, not only interview point of view. If you wish to learn any programming language, or if you wish to learn Java for your automation testing, or in case of you wish to switch testing to dev in future also, you need to understand that what is the program, what are the features of program. Okay, so that's the reason I am repeating one more time. Simply you can say Java is objective oriented program. In short form, lot of people they said oops. Okay, oops concepts also we have in Java. Okay, Java is, they will say object oriented shortcut oops. Okay, so why it is means everything in Java is an object oriented because It means have organized the software as a combination of different types of object that incorporates with both data and behavior. So that's the reason we can say object oriented program. Okay, object oriented program, that is shortcut oops, is in a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance, providing some rules. Okay, what is a basic concepts of oops are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Okay, so I'll write here Java, features of Java. Guys, are you there with me? Features of Java. Okay, so what are that we can say? Directly I'll write some simple object oriented portable platform independent secured, okay, and robust, architectural neutral, interpreted, high performance, okay, and distributed, dynamic. Okay, so these are the features of Java. Platform independent, OOPS concept, secure, robust, high performance, distributed. Okay, these kind of things. So, guys, are you able to follow with me? Great. Okay, so object oriented. I first thing I'll wish to write object oriented. Why it is object? It is very much important. Object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language because everything in Java is an object. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. That's it. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, in short form, we can see object oriented programming means OOPS is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Okay, so that's it. What are the basic concepts of OOPS means? Basic concepts of OOPS, or we will learn everything by the help of program, guys. Everything, for everything, every statement I'll show you program. So yes, we are at the introduction part, initial. I just giving that a brief overview and that Java history, Java and inventions, developments, features, everything. Okay. Now, object class inheritance. Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, okay. So this, guys, just wait a moment. Yes, okay. So with this, we'll move forward with that Java basic OOPS concepts here. Okay. So the class isn't a mandatory. Every time we will use lot of classes. Every day you will get it. How to create, already we have seen that. How to create a class, how to run the program, what is the class area. Okay. Under class, what you are creating, where you are going to create a class. Under Java package, we will create a Java class. Where is the Java package? Under project, we will create a Java package. Okay. And what is inheritance? What is a polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation? These are all part of Java features along with the object oriented program. Okay. What is a platform independence? That is a one more thing. Okay. So Java is a symbol that is enough for that. Okay. So why it is a platform independent, I'll explain this thing, and with that I'll stop for the day. Okay. So just bear with me another 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I'll close. Okay. So platform, Java is a platform. Okay. Java is a first program, you can say. If it interview question, if you get, Java is in a programming language as well as a platform. Okay. And what kind of platform it is? Java is an platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, C/, etc. Okay, so which are compiled into platform specific mission, while Java is write once, run anywhere. Okay, so if you can see in my Eclipse in the previous programs, okay, that only once you can write Java program, and okay, you can write anywhere in that local machine or online compilers. We have a lot of online compilers also there. Also you can run that program. Okay, that is the main advantage of Java for platform independence. That's the reason we can say Java is in a platform independence. You can write once and run anywhere a language. A platform is the hardware of software environment in which program runs. Okay, so there are mainly two types of platforms: software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. Okay, what are the two kind of platforms we are saying here? Software based and hardware based. Okay, but Java provides a software based platform. Okay, so because the Java platform differs from most other platforms, like in sense of that, you can say a software based platform that runs on the top of other hardware based platform. It has two components like a runtime environment and API. That means application programming interface. So these are two components. It has a two components. That is runtime JRE. We have Java runtime environment. Okay, we have main three things: JDK, JVM, JRE. JDK means Java Development Kit. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Anyhow, these three components I will explain one more time at that specific program. Okay, so Java code can be run on multiple platforms. For example, Windows machines, Linux machine, some solars like a Mac OS, etc. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into byte code. Okay, that's the main thing you need to remember. The Java code is compiled by the compiler. Okay, it will compiled by the compiler and convert into bytecode. Java, it will convert into bytecode. The bytecode is in a platform independent because it can be run on multiple platforms. So that is write once and run anywhere. That's it. So that's the reason Java is platform independent. Okay, guys. Okay. So that's all for the day, guys. So please go to that regarding video and have a quick look on that and understand the Java features, history, development. Okay, so come up with that some idea of knowledge about Java. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining. I wish you very happy new year, guys. Have a successful year, go ahead. Okay, so put some target for this year. The first 2 months you are going to become an automation test engineer, and you will get some confidence to, okay, for getting your good job to land in the product base or service base with a good handsome package. Okay, so I'll be here to help you with all the possible ways to land into to build your career. Okay, so have a good goals and big goals, and wish to have a great success in your entire career for this going forward 2025 months, years, every day. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye. We'll meet again next class. Once again, have a happy new year.